We're in Crowhurst tonight. We haven't done any video up till this point because we was really pushed for time before it got dark, and we've only just got our tents pitched up, so we had to be a little bit quick. It was a last minute idea. We camped here last winter, and last winter it was freezing cold. Our tents were iced up. Solid, weren't they?
Yeah.
Who are you talking to like that? Second camp where Rob's destroyed the fire.
I'm pretty sure I can see a flame, bro.
Hmm?
I said I'm pretty sure I can see a flame. I've got to get Leviosa.
Oh, mate. Oh, that was very close. What are you doing?
Stood up too quick. Oh! Got jabbed up the arse by your chair, bro. Oh, that really hurt.
Rob pretended he's had an accident.
Oh, fucking hurt, that did. Cool. I'm gonna be in a minute. Sleep. Away from all your bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah, making some tea. The tea's boiling over.
It is actually going to boil over.
Tea's boiled. We now leave it to rest.
Go and sort the fire out. Eh?
I'll sort you out in a minute, sir. Right. What we got down on here then? The angles and all that.
Don't step backwards, Smash. My cup's down there.
Oh, I think I've done my bit, mate.
So we've had a couple of hot dogs. That's all we've had, isn't it?
Yeah, and some fruit.
Eh?
And some sweeties.
And some sweets. Cup of tea with some brandy in it. Couple of brandies with no tea in it.
And now you're just monging.
No, I was just thinking that sounded like rain was falling through the trees with that wind. We're going to try and get some footage of the moon because there's meant to be a big super moon tonight, for the last night. And we've got a tripod, so we're going to try and get that on. If Rob's still with us. It's up there through the trees, but we're going to go into the field. That fire's going nice, Almost.
Let's burn it down quick though.
Well, you haven't cut one big bit.
No.
You still haven't.
Neither of you, other than that
I've
one
cut
bit.
four.
Yeah.
I've done 4.
Oh, have you been counting of you? What,
Yeah, I
adding them to
have,
your chart,
actually.
adding them to your little tally, mate?
Because do you know how many you've done?
None.
4, cool.
Where is your thing, mate?
That ain't, it never has been. No,
How have we not got more subscribers yet?
This is half an hour after.
So you can hold this there and just...
You should just cut a bit. Mate, you ain't snapping that. Are you mad? You're not even halfway through. Not even halfway through it, Mush.
Don't tell me what I am in the heart.
So in the last video, we said that we'd give an explanation for the video previous to that, where we had our kit robbed. So we came down, we always only take our small bags when we first leave the car, and we'll mess about through the day, and then we'll come back and get our big bags and head down. But anyway, we left all of our stuff hidden, which we always do. There was no one about.
We walked away, didn't we?
Yeah.
We hid our stuff. We walked away, and there was a couple that were standing there looking at the information sign that was in the video. And so we walked up to get our big pack with our tent and everything in.
Yeah.
And as we've come back down, they've come out of the same area. No, they've come out of the same area, haven't they?
Yeah.
That we had hid our stuff.
But we saw them.
We saw them first, and
You heard them.
I heard them probably throw the stuff in the bush.
Anyway, we see him come out. Rob's thought he'd heard something. We went up, and our stuff's all gone.
And then we've gone off to get our big packs again, and to see if we can find them. And they ran off so far ahead that they were literally by their car. Because by the time we got to our car, they drove past us without looking at us. And then so we thought to ourselves, they didn't walk past with our stuff when they ran off, so our stuff must be down there. So we went back down there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Looked in the bushes, and we could see the metal detector. And then I went through and obviously pulled it all out. And then we've gone up there, back up again, haven't we, to get our big packs, because we found our stuff. And then as we were walking back with our packs, they've driven back past us. And that is as far as I'm going to go with the story.
So, they've driven back past us. We've already got our stuff back, so we're quite happy about that. Because if we didn't come down at the time that we did, they would have taken it. And we thought that they was only coming back down at that time to come back and get it. We've gone down and we've spoken to them and they denied it. It turns out that under a little bit of pressure that they did. Pissing down. We're not likely to be moving. You fucking windbang. Good morning, good night.
Morning, mate.
Morning, mate. Slept well, didn't you, Mush?
Yeah, until about 8 o'clock.
Yeah, and then what?
I got woken up by some long-headed prick for a fag. Rob, roll a fag. Dickhead.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but what?
I woke up, Mush.
Oh, so when you wake up, it's all good. When I wake up about 3 hours before you.
You always wake me up if you're up first.
Yeah, fucking hours after I've already been up. I'm going to make sure the backie's in your tent next time. I'm going to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning on the fucking dot. Tom.
feeling?